What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Today we are going to be doing a drive with me because why not? I have some really good music that I have really been digging lately. So I was thinking of doing maybe like a once a month drive with me where I show you guys my monthly favorites, because I see a lot of YouTubers do this and I think that it's really fun. And my Spotify is pretty great. All of these songs are going to be linked down below in my Spotify playlist, so go ahead and follow this playlist. Go ahead and also follow my Spotify because I take a lot of pride in it. I think it's pretty great. I have already filmed this video today. I filmed it a little earlier and the sun, when we went under trees, it was flashing every 2 seconds, so it just looked so bad. The lighting was awful. So we're trying it again now. We're gonna start this with some Shawn Mendes. I personally am not a fan of his entire album. Some people are obsessed with it, but I was kind of iffy about it. But then I heard this one song. I love it. It is so good. We're gonna start with it to get this mood rolling.
How could you make me believe that there was something in between you and me? Yeah, I look around and I don't see you. Where were you in the morning, baby? You didn't leave your number for me. Left me without a warning, baby. I said, where were you in the morning, baby? How do you just walk away?
This one I just recently found, so excuse me, I do not know any of the words to it, but it's so good. This is so good. The perfect summer jam. I'm gonna overplay the ish out of this.
2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cool love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cool love. Body on my, body on my, losing all my innocence. Body on my, finding all my innocence. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Body on my, finding all my innocence. Body on my, losing all my innocence. You said I'll probably send you some pics, and I'm like, hell no, been waiting too long. Hell no, I want that cool love. Hell no, been waiting too long. Hell no, I want that cool love. Now hang me up to dry. You rang me out too many times. Now hang me up to dry. I'm running like the white.
You know I have to. I love this song.
Yeah, you so I'm out of it. Get that ass busting out the bottom. I'ma lose my mind in it. Crazy that medulla oblongata, get the rubber on my lap, get the chili out the bottom. If I pull up with a Kerry Washington, that's gonna be an enormous scandal. Hey, time is extremely valuable, and I prefer to waste it on girls is basic. I'ma lose my mind in it. Crazy that medulla oblongata, get the rubber on my lap, get the chili out the bottom. Get the chili out the bottom. Let me hit it raw like the outcome. Hey, none of us would be here without.
So what if I'm not everything you wanted me to be? So what if I am? So what if I am more than you can see? When when you treat me like that, when you treat me like that. It's pushing me harder, it's pushing me harder. When you're breaking my back, when you're breaking my back, I only get stronger, I only get stronger.
I love this because Kid Cudi is in this, and I love Kid Cudi.
I've been trying to make you love me, but everything I try just takes you further from me. Someday we gon' set it off and nothing hurts anymore. I feel kind of free. We're still the kids we used to be. It hurts anymore. I feel kind of free. Dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night. Don't you grow up in a hurry. Your mama be worried. Oh, it was all part of the story. Even the scary nights. Thank you for all of the glory.
This song. Again, I am obsessed with the Kid Cudi Kanye album. This is definitely my favorite song from the album. I'm pretty sure it's their top song.
I'm so reborn. I'm moving forward. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Ain't no stress on me, Lord. I'm moving forward. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. I'm so reborn. I'm moving forward. Keep moving forward.
All right, and I'm back. That is the end of my drive with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not yet subscribed and you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hopefully this is going to become a monthly thing because it was so fun. And I'll talk to you guys next time.